What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add black bars in Premiere Pro real quick and easy. The way I do it is I just upload a screenshot, black screenshot. A rectangle works better. And just drag it all the way to the length of your video or image, and then double click on it, and then just adjust it to however you want it. So I'll do it right there, and then just grab it again for the bottom. Just drag it all the way. I'll drag it over here, and then just double click on it again. Okay, and then just however you want to do it. All right. Okay. There's another way to do it, but this is the way I like to do it. So yeah, how to add black bars in Premiere Pro. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.